Do you want to know about the historical places, airports, train stations, and the most beautiful places in the world in Britain? Then watch this video till the end because today we will tell you in detail about the history, tourist attractions, and famous culture of Britain. The history of Britain is one of the oldest and most interesting in the world. The empire here ruled most of the world for many centuries. Britain began with the union of many different nations. Its culture and history have had a profound impact on world politics, literature, and arts. Britain is home to the most famous airports in the world. London's Heathrow Airport is the busiest airport in the world. London's Gatwick Airport, Manchester Airport, and Stansted Airport are also centers of interest and popularity for tourists and travelers. The airports provide excellent facilities, including shopping, restaurants, and high-quality security. The UK's train network is considered the best and most organized network in the world. London's King's Cross Station, Eurostar, and Paddington Station are famous for international travel. The beauty and facilities of these stations provide tourists with and provides a good experience. There are many beautiful and historical places in Britain, which tourists visit not only to feel the natural beauty but also the history. If we enlighten you with them, then we will first mention Stonehenge, which is a historical monument and is considered an important part of British history. Cambridge and Oxford are also famous for their ancient universities and historical buildings. Luton, the mountainous areas and lakes of Scotland offer a great example of British natural beauty. London's Big Ben is famous all over the world. This clock tower has become a symbol of London. Tourists from all over the world come here for entertainment. Many famous festivals and events are celebrated in Britain, including Christmas, which will increase. Christmas celebrations are more famous in Britain around the world because it is specially organized here. Every year on October 31st, Halloween celebrations, parties and various activities are also organized in Britain. New Year's Eve celebrations in London are great, especially through events, fireworks, and parties. Many luxury hotels in Britain also become the center of tourist attraction. The Heritage Hotel London is famous for its excellent services and luxury accommodation, while the Royal Monaster Hotel in London is famous for its luxurious services and design. The Cairns Hotel is known for its beautiful view and comfortable atmosphere. The food culture of Britain is also very interesting. British food includes many dishes that are famous worldwide, including fish and chips, a British favorite and world famous. Idli bria is a traditional British dish. Apart from tea and bakery, tea culture is very popular in Britain. People like to drink tea with bakery. So this was a look at the history, culture, and tourist attractions of Britain. Do you also want to visit Britain? Tell us about your favorite tourist destination in the comments below and share this video with your friends. If you want to know about more interesting places in Britain, then subscribe to our channel so that you can get more such informative videos.